We got a new listing. Let me introduce you. A Burnham Thorpe and Dixie, a mature and comfortable building right next to the Rockwood Mall, 10 minutes away from Square One downtown Mississauga, 5 minutes away from Etobicoke, near all highways 403, QE, and 427, and you're 10 minutes away from the airport. Come in and have a look yourself. Welcome to 1111 Bough Beeches, Unit 407. Over 1,400 square feet of bright, spacious areas. The living room and the dining room that are completely separated, walking to a balcony, and then next to a really large solarium. Bright with California shutters, great to have a coffee in the afternoon, a very good sized kitchen, ton of spaces, storage spaces, and the counter space with stainless steel appliances. And as you come in here, you see the oversized den that you could use as a third bedroom or family room or watching TVs, or even a very large office. Do as you wish. And then coming to our master bedroom here, the whole unit is completely carpet-free. A large master bedroom, a walk-in closet, and a 5-piece ensuite. This floor plan places bedrooms as far as possible from each other for privacy. The second bedroom has got its own bathroom nearby it. As you can see, very large and spacious. How did you like the unit? It was impressive, wasn't it? If you're downsizing from a large home, this is perfect for you because it gives you the space and the brightness that you're looking for. And if you have a home to sell, don't worry. Give us a call. We guarantee the sale of your home so you can buy this one. To find out more about this exclusive offer, give me a call at 647-848-2652.